In this video, I will guide you on how to delete TikTok account permanently. First, launch open the TikTok app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Once you get here, you want to select the option of Account. Now find the option of Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap on that. One thing you need to remember is deactivation is temporary. If you want to permanently delete your TikTok account, you need to select the Delete Account Permanently option. Now select a reason why you want to delete your account, then tap on Continue. Now if you want to download your TikTok data, you can do that from here, then tap on Continue. Now tap on Continue over here. Before that, you want to go through all of this. Here it says your account will be deactivated for 30 days and won't be visible for the public. After 30 days, your account and data will be deleted permanently. Tap on Continue. And with that, your account has been successfully deleted. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.